here, we're looking over the Arpachai Gorge. So over there is, we see the quarry in Armenia. That's Armenia, the other side of the river. And then we have what used to be falling down. Last time I was here, this was looked fairly sketch inside. Now after the 2016 UNESCO World Heritage Site, looks like there's been more investment. So trying to stabilize this ancient church.
Normally we're not allowed to get in.
Don't get in there. Don't go in here. Don't go in